Let us make a quill pencil greeting card today. This could be a good thank you gift for teachers or a welcome gift for a new classmate. To start, I take a small strip of white cardstock that measures 2 into 6 centimeters or about 3/4 of an inch into 2.5 inches in dimensions. This is going to be the base for the pencil. We will be doing from the bottom of the pencil to way up. So for the eraser part, I am using salmon colored quilling strip. I got this from Quilling Hub. I take about 4 strips of salmon color and with a white cardstock strip, I measure its width. To be precise, it should be a little bit smaller than the width of the cardstock. Then I make zigzags with the paper strips together. After some 5 to 6 zigzag lines or until I'm happy with the height of the eraser part, I start to wind the strips all around the zigzags that we just made. When I wind them once around the sides, I cut off the excess strips, leaving the outermost strip secure. I then wind this outermost strip few times around and tear off at the end and glue it. Now, I transfer this rectangular shape to one end of the piece of the cardstock, so the rubber part of the pencil is done. For the next layer, I use grey color quilling paper. I again take 4 strips of paper and make zigzags. After some 4 to 5 layers, I cut off excess and transfer it to the pencil base. Next comes the painted part of the pencil. Now I use mango yellow color and red color quilling paper strips. With 4 strips of mango yellow, I hand measure the length of the pencil. You should make sure that you leave enough space in the front of the pencil's wood part. Now again, make long zigzags. For better understanding, I make 3 zigzags and use 1 layer of red. This red layer again has 3 strips of red so that they look thicker and are easily visible between the mango yellow color. I repeat making these zigzag layers until I finish the thickness of the pencil. When they are all done, we can keep adding them to the pencil. Next is to add the wooden part of the pencil. I use light cream color from Quilling Hub to make these looping as shown. I also add a thick strip of light cream color over the loops so I can fix them within and give the finish a perfect look. As this part is ready, I trim off the sides and now we can add it to the card base. Glue it to the card in a slanting manner. Using black quilling paper, I make the lead part of the pencil and add it to the card. Then using a good quality pen which is fade resistant and acid free, the permanent good quality markers that don't fade away or bleed away, we can use those pens. And then I draw a few fun shapes related to school around this quill pencil. This doodling creates interest to the card and pops up the pencil more. I then add a printed sentiment to the card to finish it. Now, let me know how much do you like this card. Would you try this yourself to impress your favorite teacher or a friend? And if you are interested to buy my handmades, do check my Etsy shop for varieties of cards, artworks, and quilling templates.